I learned I could do the triple front when I was at Travis Restrana's house about a year ago. Basically, I did a double front flip first try and I opened up and I'm like, man, that flicked me so hard. I could probably spin 3, and basically next try, spun 3. First one, I went long. Second one went short. Third one, I thought was perfect, but I exploded. Fourth one, I exploded. Fifth one was just under rotated. But on the sixth one, I don't know, it just worked. It all felt the same, except on the landing, I just had more strength to hold on. It's funny because I landed, and then before I could think about anything, I was tumbling across these pieces of foam. It's a crazy feeling. You get it with every wheel first. It's like scootering, BMX, pogo sticking, whatever you do. If you do a world's first on it, it's just that amazing feeling that you're 1 in 7 billion people that have done this trick.
Triple front on a BMX bike. You did it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Bad ass.